Hey everyone, welcome to another work week vlog, and today we are in Miami. I'm super excited to be here. Believe it or not, this is my second time in Miami in the past month. Like, I'm actually really feeling Miami. I was never really a big fan of it, but now that I've gotten to know a little bit of the downtown, Brickell, Wynwood area, I'm like, this is kind of a nice place. So I'm gonna be spending the next 4 days in Miami, 2 work days and then 2 fun days. And yeah, basically I'm here with a group of friends. It's a girls trip. They both work remotely too. And I'm remote, so that means that we're gonna have a good time and do a combination of work and vacation. Workation. I feel like that's gonna be my energy for remote working. Workation. So we're staying in the Loewe Hotel, which is right near the beach on South Beach. I don't know if you can see the beach from here, but anyways, so today my general plan is to get some work done early in the morning and then take advantage of the fact that like I have no meetings days on Thursday and Friday, which means I can kind of do whatever I want to do, which I'm excited to do. Oh no, it's wet. It's been raining a lot this time that we've been here. But yeah, so like I can kind of chunk out my work, so I can do like 2 hours or about like a couple hours of work anytime I want. And as long as my work is done, my managers are happy. My stakeholders are happy with just the fact that my work is done. So that's a really cool thing I love about remote work, is that you're not like forced to be working at a specific time. I'm such a big fan of remote work. Like, I don't want to go back into the office. Okay, so before we get started on work, I do want to thank my sponsor for this video, X-Team.
X-Team is a community of remote developers that help companies scale their development teams. When you join X-Team as a developer, you gain access to job offers working on long-term projects for companies like Riot Games, Fox, Coinbase, and you get $2,500 per year to use towards activities and gear to help you stay energized and always growing. Join X-Team using the link in the description box down below.
So basically I'm gonna go downstairs, get started on some work, and I will see you guys there. Okay, so I have my coffee here, and what I'm doing today is I'm basically just for work, I have to finish up this video series. Basically every single thing I do is a video series. Watch out for my video where I actually explain like what I do like in fine details day to day. But I have some coffee here and I'm writing a video script on Cloud Security Center, the different products, and kind of teaching people how to use those different cloud security tools. So I'm going to start first with event threat detection. So I'm just writing the scripts right now, but I'm just trying to enjoy the nice weather even though it looks like it's going to start raining. Okay guys, so now I'm dragging my friends to come with me to a walking tour in Little Havana in Miami. So Miami has like a very strong Cuban influence. So I've always been curious about like, why are there so many Cubans in Miami? Like, what has been the Cuban influence in Miami? So basically, what better way to do that than to go on a walking tour? I'm a huge fan of walking tours. I usually do them on all my vacations, but my friends don't want to come with me. But I think that they're missing out on probably one of the coolest ways to get to know a city. Basically, I'm gonna head over and start heading to the walking tour. My friend is downstairs.
Para arriba, para abajo, para el centro, con movimiento, para adentro.
It is something that's been part of Mesoamerica for thousands of years. It's been used for religious, medicinal, and even currency purposes. Every president that has gone through the White House or before the White House has had that cigar in his hand.
Was, according to the way that JFK's generals explained it to him, the plan was that 1,400 Cuban rebels that had exiled here to Miami, they were to be approached by the CIA and trained for combat. And then, on a selected day, that day, 17th of April, this brigade called 2506, which you can see their flag clearly in the wind behind us, and they're to storm the beach at the Bay of Pigs, and, you know, where Fidel's purported to be, and finish him off.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Amy and Kia. Where is Kia? Okay, they don't care. So we're heading.
I'm just trying to get brunch.
I know, we haven't eaten like in hours, and it's like noon right now. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna go to Wynwood and we're gonna grab brunch, and then after brunch we're going to just like explore the Wynwood neighborhood. Okay, so we're gonna head out right now, and I'll see you guys there. The brunch we had was absolutely delicious. I totally recommend the restaurant, and I'll put the restaurant right here. Now we're going to get some dessert at this vegan bakery that we saw on TikTok. Okay guys, so we got back from Wynwood and we had a great time at brunch. Do you see these little sleepy heads over here? And then this hungry head over here. Anyways, we had a great time at Wynwood. Miami people are crazy. I think that's the one thing we learned yesterday is how crazy Miami people are. Kia said they're built different, and they really are built different. They're very outgoing and funny, but you know, some people are a little crazy. The Florida man trope is true here. A lot of them don't even have the vaccine, and they think that COVID is just like having allergies. So basically I'm gonna go downstairs, do a little bit of work. I'm doing the event threat detection stuff. I'll add some text on the screen so it's easy for you to know what I'm doing.